Tired of your Wise account always defaulting to the wrong currency? Here is how to change it in under 30 seconds. That little frustration where every time you send money or get paid, it swings to some currency you never use. It gets old fast, so we are going to fix it for good. We will go into your account settings, find the edit option, and pick your preferred currency. Just follow these simple steps. By the end of this, your Wise account will finally behave the way you want it to. So start by navigating to your main account page. You know, the one that shows your balance at the top. In my experience, this is where most people get stuck because they try to change things from the transaction screen. But the setting is hiding in plain sight on the main account view, so make sure you are on that home screen where you can see your money. All right, now look for the three-dot menu icon. It is usually up in the right-hand corner of that main account box, those three little dots right next to your balance. Do not overlook them. They are small, but they are the key to the whole thing. From that menu, select the Edit option. It might say something like Edit Main Account or just Edit. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the settings that Wise does not exactly wave in your face, but once you know where to look, it is dead simple. Now you will see the currency list. Here is the really important part. Scroll through that list and pick the currency you want as your default. The one you use most often, whether that is dollars, euros, pounds, or something else. Click on it to select it. And here is a tip I have tested myself. Make sure you double check that the one highlighted is actually the one you want. It is easy to accidentally tap the wrong one if you are going too fast. Once you have made your choice, look for the Save button. You do not want to close the window or navigate away without saving, or all that effort disappears. So hit Save and let the page process. This might take a moment to refresh. After it reloads, check that your new default is now showing. You should see your preferred currency right there where the old one used to be. If it looks right, you are in good shape. Finally, do a quick test to confirm it works. Try starting a new transfer or just open the Send Money screen. You should see your chosen currency already selected, no manual switching required. That little win feels really good, does not it? And that is it. From now on, your Wise account will default to the currency you actually use. No more hunting for the right option every single time. If this helped, you know where to find me for more straightforward tips.